Hi, Bob Harvey, the DIY guy, back with you again today. Well, this is turning into be more of an RC channel, but for now that's okay. But I have a couple, 3 or 4 videos that I'm working on that I'm going to be putting up about some other DIY stuff. But now I'm going to venture into the land of the micro crawlers. I've never had a rock crawler before, and I was considering getting in, so I figured, you know what, and maybe I'll just try off with a little micro Axial Deadbolt 1/24 scale. They said these things are all the rage, supposedly. Let me get you set up here. Okay, so I've already cut the seal on one side. Let me cut the seal on the other side here. Real quick. Got the handy X-Acto knife out. Pull the cover off. Let me check my battery and see where I'm at. All right, we're good. All right, so these are supposed to be the newest, funnest thing, and they actually look pretty cool. There's a ton of extra parts that you can get for these. Let me get it. Carry this thing. Okay, so now we're going to pull this baby out of the box. And here we go. Pretty cool looking little Axial Deadbolt. Wow, they're actually pretty cool. And little drive lines are pretty neat. It's got axle mounted servo. It's got a couple little headlights. No tail lights or anything, but looks pretty good. Let's pull off the all right, let's pull off these. I like the little pull tabs because these things are so small, and then this thing just lifts up like that. And here's your battery. And the only thing you need to put in there is, let's see, let's take this out. See where we're at. Boy, that's a tiny little battery. Holy smokes, 300. It's a 2S 30C LiPo, which is actually pretty good. But man, it's so skinny. It's hard to believe it's 2 cell. 3C charge rate. Here's the speed control with the receiver and everything in it, and everything just plugs right in here, and it's got a couple headlights, and yeah, that's pretty cool. It's just little spring shocks, and it's got lots of flex for when you're crawling and stuff. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Right on. Okay, well, let me get some batteries. Hold on just one second. Actually, let's look and see what's the rest of the stuff. Comes with batteries for the receiver, all the information for the instruction, owner's manual. There. Now, and then you got the charger for the battery and the remote. And I guess this remote's actually fairly decent. Cool little deal, and it's got a flip-up thing on the back that gives you low, medium, and high range. You can turn the lights on and off. You got dual rate. You got whatever you want to do with your channel 1 here. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. I guess these are nice because they're easy to run with one hand. You can just steer them like this in case, like if I want to do a video or something. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I don't know. All right, let me get the batteries put in and we'll fire it up. Okay, here's the deadbolt in action. You'll have to work with me here. I'm driving with one hand to be able to record. Keep in mind, this is just starting out. I don't usually do this. This is all new to me, but nevertheless, it's still fun. Oh no! And the back coming down. Look at that. First successful. He's taking on the other way now. Just like that. I'm assuming this is how you're supposed to do it. I don't do it very often. Oh, this is a little too short. You know, for such a little thing, it's actually really capable. It's pretty funny. I think the battery's hung up on something there. There. Oh no. Okay, so that begins the journey into my crawling days. We'll see. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you later.